How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode, we have this 2008 Subaru Tribeca. We want to do some detailing on this truck, and I have a lot of stuff to do to it. Main thing, why it's here, I had to replace the strut on the passenger side front. But on this episode, I'm gonna show you how to clean your interior seats because the seats are leather. So I'm gonna show you how to clean them. So if you see the condition of this truck, it's a 2008, which is not really bad. Like I said, it's a daily, uh, but it needs some love. So I'm gonna take advantage of having it in the house. If you can see the inside, it needs some treatment. I'm not gonna show you on detail what I'm gonna do to the inside because I already make episodes about it. But the first thing that I gotta do is use my total interior cleaner, clean it up, and then give it some protection and some shine to it. I'm gonna use this VRP. My main focus right now is gonna be the leather. So I put a tape in the middle to show you the difference between the two sides. I'm gonna use this Chemical Guys leather quick detailer. It's gonna clean, restore, and protect. The ingredients on this product is vitamin E and aloe. If you know leather, it's supposed to be flat, not shiny. I don't want to put any dressings, nothing to shine. I just want to clean and protect. And especially with this product, we want to clean, protect, and it's going to protect against the UV rays, which that's what we're looking for. And especially when you have a vehicle with leather, main thing is that you need to clean it, remove the body oils, remove all the contaminants, food, and this interior needed. So if you don't want your leather to fade or look ugly and start cracking, this is the way to do it. Passenger side, you can see some stains in there, probably coffee. So we're gonna clean all that up. This is 100% horsehair, so this one is really soft. It's made for leather. It's not gonna damage your leather. You have to get something soft to clean the leather. Make sure that you do it gentle. Don't put a lot of pressure into the leather. You don't wanna damage it. And then clean with the microfiber towel. So I'm gonna clean that side, and then we're gonna leave it like that on this side so you can see the end result. I'm gonna spray a little bit into the leather, some into your brush, and we're just gonna be gentle when we brush it off. Try to remove everything from it. When I'm about to remove the tape, and you're gonna see what it does to the leather. If you don't want your leather to crack, to look really bad, to have all those contaminants in it, this is a very easy way to do it. You can see my microfiber towel. And these seats, they're not really in bad condition, but also we can improve the look of the seat by keeping it protected, which is the main thing that we're looking for. Protection, so your seats don't crack and the leather don't fade. Okay, so that was easy. Now let's remove the tape. If you can see the difference between the treated part and the non-treated, if you can see now, the leather looks protected and looks rich, and that's the protection that we need against the UV ray. So you see that, treated, non-treated. So really easy. I'm just gonna go with the brush all over the seats, rear seats too, and I'm gonna show you the end result. And this is one of the reasons why you need a brush. On all the stitching, there's a lot of stuff in it. Like, it looks like it has a lot of dirt and food. So you go gentle in between the stitches and just try to remove all that. Also on this area right here, it has coffee stains. So I'm gonna put some more in here. Remove all those stains. Also, this leather is gonna look beautiful. Truck is gonna look brand new. Sometimes people don't have time to detail their cars, but with these products, I believe Chemical Guys is a very good brand, and they're not paying me for saying this, guys. This episode is not a sponsor. This is the back seat. That's gonna be the before. This is the back of the seat, and this is the after. You can see how rich it is now. This is the back of the seat, and the leather is now protected. Okay, guys, so I hope you like this episode. It's really quick and easy to do, especially with this quick detailer. You can get more products from Chemical Guys to clean your leather, but in this case I decided to use this because these products, they make the job easy and fast. So I hope you like this episode, guys. Link is gonna be in the description for this product if you wanna get yours. If you have any questions, please comment down below and I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.